Let's go over this box real quick. I have a torch on my head. So as you can see right here, even when I move the light away, big damage, but hopefully it feels still strong, so nothing too bad there. And we're going over to the rest of the box. There's also an indentation over here. I haven't checked the bottom, but it seems to be good. Indentation over here. A couple of more scratches and things over there. And now I need to turn it around. The bottom and all the other sides seem to be good. There's a small indentation there, and that's about it. What's up, everybody? It's your favorite YouTuber again, Rebel Drifter. Today we have another lady joining our ensemble of ladies, and of course it cannot be anything different than IDOdoll. Thank you very much to Sophia. I still call them IDOdoll. So we have our GTA 6 girl, of course. You probably have seen her a couple of times on my YouTube channel. She's a Latina girl, and now we're unboxing a different colored girl, which is pretty cool because I really like IDOdoll. So this has been a long time coming. Also, what's actually very cool is I have around, I think, 20 codes to give out to people, so to 20 people. And you can get per person a $200 gift code for a discount on one of the ladies there. So that's pretty cool, so stay tuned for that. I might drop them in the video. I might put codes up there. I might put the whole voucher in there with all the information. Let's see what happens in the video, so stay tuned for that. And don't just skip till the end where I have her unboxed, you know. Get comfortable with me, come on. All right, let's just stop being awkward. So here we go. This is the smaller flap that I'm now gonna try and lean against. Two flaps over here. So we're being greeted by their own branded and stamped bag, which is really cool, in gold glitter, with of course the accessories, or is it a bonus package? Oh, cool. They put in a complete stocking / lingerie set with bells and a necklace or something. Yeah. All right, that's pretty cool. So that's gift number one. Then there's, I think, an extra piece of clothing. I'll take it. Then we have, oh, this is like a whole complete set. So these are gloves for the outfit. And these are, I think, specific shoes. Like socks kind of shoes with like padding on there. And then we of course have our comb. We have our, oh, this is apparently a device for self-pleasure, but it is also a rinser. So this is like a stick where you can put that into, oh, you can put it on the shower lead, and then you can use it as something to rinse with. So technically I could use the lady, go to the shower, put this onto the shower cable, to say it like that, and then rinse her out and then continue or do it again. So that's pretty cool. And we have our, I think this still is like a makeup brush. And there's something else in there. There's a keychain in there, like a little ring. In the meantime, or as of right now, we're going to try and get the foam out. It's very stuck in there. I think this area right here is the neck area. She was very cold yesterday when she came in, yesterday, the day before that, I think yesterday, yeah. All right, so as you can see, after removing the foam, we are being greeted by our lady who seems to be in a bathrobe right now, which is perfect. I think it's still really cool that there are companies that truly listen to me. I always say plastic is one thing, but please keep them in like a fabric, like a blanket, or in this case, a bathrobe, or like other companies do with like a sleeping bag or something like that. That's all fine. So this is gonna be her wig. This is gonna be her head at the end of her feet. This is cool. They have this bag around her, of course, and then also a face shield. Now what's also really cool, on Discord, Sophia has this lady in her picture, and the cool thing is, this is now an ROS head. All right, here we go. So this is now with mouth open. Of course, the eyes you can of course adjust accordingly. It's a very, well, I almost wanted to say a very simple kind of head, but it's actually not. It's very intricate, but you know, she looks good. I do think this is a face that would not really look that great bald, so she does need to have hair on there. We already have, oh, look how premium this is now. They completely molded it shut. Really nice. And then of course we have her ROS. Now, not every company makes it easy, but this is how she looks. A lot better with her mouth closed, if you ask me. She almost looks, if she was darker, she almost looks like the chick from a new video game. But she is cool though. And again, if I just go like this on her chin, very nice design. Also very fluid in opening and closing. So that's really nice. There is a little bit of force needed, but that's good. She is in her bathrobe. Her hair is over here, like I said. She has plastic around her body. Her feet are encapsulated in foam. And I am sure that when we open this up, she is going to be nude. I can do this real quick. You can probably see that there's plastic or sleeve over her arm as well, so that's good. Maybe I can show the other side without getting graphic. There you go. Here you can see it as well. So there's tape and a little foam sleeve around there, so that's good. And then, yes, of course, this is her cleavage. And her neck, which is of course very important, seems to be not damaged. There's some crud on there. I'm gonna take that out. I think it's some excess silicone. All right, Merry Christmas, y'all. We got her out of the box. Merry Christmas, now she's clothed. I just have to clean it up and it's, yeah, it's complete and intact. No damage, so that's perfect. She looks really good. Her skin is really nice. We need to get the feet off. Let's see if I can do that. Yeah, there you go. See, very nice details. Come on, focus. Yeah, there you go. And of course, very soft. Still cold to the touch, actually. Very soft. Cannot show the butt area, but we can do this. It's still very wet and cold. But you can already see it droop a little bit, and that's something that I really love, of course, because I am the man of the jiggle physics. They also put in this little diamond on her finger, on her nail, which is cool too. So, of course, very nicely designed finger bones. It just works really well. And it's also very fluid. It doesn't feel like it's, you know, half-assed or anything, which of course we would expect, but it's just nice how fluid everything is. Sometimes I'm a little bit scared that I'm over-pressing or trying to get it, you know, over-bent, kind of. But that seems to work. Let's go over to the other hand real quick. Turn that one around. No, we can't because it's too tight. That all works too. Also, same thing with the diamond on there. So this all, look, it's all very, very easy to do. They do have the wires or the bones in there, which is really nice. And same goes for this one. See, can put it back, can do this one like so. The feet look amazing. They are in great shape. So to see on the bottom as well, perfect. There's a small indentation here I can see. Probably because of me standing her just now, but if I start massaging it a little bit, they really feel real, these feet. It's kind of scary. All right, it's almost out already, which is really nice. Same goes for this side. She really needs to just get some crud on there. She really needs to get a sock on her foot and a couple of shoes, and then we'll be good, but very realistic. Bottom side number one, looking very good. Also like it that you can move the thumb that way. You can even put it closer and further away, which is a really nice design. And the same goes for this one. Also very nicely done. And here she is, completely assembled. I'll put the camera backwards a little bit. She looks amazing. Her eyes are really nice too. You're able to see like the red kind of vein thing pop on there on the right side. But her skin is just amazing. The way she feels is really soft, very detailed. And the quality they bring is just insane. I've already really, really loved my GTA 6 bikini girl that I shaped up to that character, which is just amazing. But this lady right here, it's almost like in a league of her own. So look. Oh, are you able to see that? Right there in her corner. There's her red vein. I hope it's showing up. I don't see it as much on the other one over here, but I'm sure there must be some veins or other things there too. But she looks really nice. I opened her mouth up a little bit, put the wig on. It's not really styled yet, but you know, it's fine with how it is. So, look, here you go. Pretty cool. You should be able to get it even further. Yep, there you go. I think she's really beautiful. Let me get the jaw back a little bit more. And there we go. Keep her mouth like this. And then, of course, like I said, the details are just insane. Just look at this shot alone. With the light a little bit on her chest. Really nice. And, of course, here her stomach. And then all the little specks that you can see. Oh, yeah. Also very cool is her hands or her arms. The silicone here doesn't get a weird shape. So when you twist, it's difficult. I can't do it with one hand almost. Look, see? This also rotates with the wrist. So this company, again, understands how you need to make this stuff as well. Very nice caboose as well. I'll try to see if I can get away with poking that as well, just to see what a beautiful statue this is. So funny how YouTube just, you know, reacts so differently on specific content. And this is something that's not alive. It's just a very big action figure and or statue, if you want to call it that. You know, in my opinion, it's still art, because the people that put all the effort in to make something like this so beautiful and so realistic is just insane. So yeah, again, very nice. So the caboose is also very soft. And that's not even putting in effort with pressing. But yeah, all in all, another keeper for my channel from IDOdoll. Big shout out to Sophia for arranging everything like she always does. Sophia is one of the most hardworking people I know from brands like these ladies. So yeah, big shout out to her. Alright, so this has been another unboxing by yours truly, Rebel Drifter. Please check out IDOdoll.com if I'm not mistaken. And get yourself an IDOdoll, because when you get her, you're gonna say, I do. And yeah, again, don't forget to check out the codes in this video, because we're celebrating their existence. And yeah, like I said, I have 20 codes to give away for a $200 voucher, aka discount on your purchase. So that's really cool. Again, a very big shout out to IDOdoll, because they're just amazing. Always in communication, always in doing everything. Oh, before I even start to close this video, let's get a rectification going. In the wig, there were 2 of these connectors. I actually used one of my connectors that I had laying around, but they did come with the connector, so that's number 1. And the second that I actually want to add as well, their wigs are always good. Like the GTA 6 girl that I have, the bikini girl, she has a very good wig too. And it seems every single time when, well, this is of course now the second time, so it's not like I can talk about super much experience or anything. But it always seems that they take so much care in everything that they do. Be it packing, be it the design, the overall design, the feel, the softness, the skin details. But even their wigs aren't crap. So the wigs are actually really good, especially this line over here, which makes it look like it's really on her head. So normally wigs are a little bit cheap, or they look weird, or sometimes you get a really good wig and it's all right. It doesn't always match with the doll itself, but she looks immaculate. She's pretty much perfect in my eyes. So again, head on over to IDOdoll, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great Christmas. Have a great end of this year going onwards to a new year. Happy New Year to everybody if you're watching this right now. And yeah, stay tuned for more insane stuff on my channel. Thank you very much for all your support. Again, big shout out to IDOdoll.com.
IDOdoll, oh yeah, I do. Unboxing is fun.